Both of you here. Now, we're going to talk about something that is known as Parentlink.
Yeah.
And we have two people here. Meg Roodhouse, welcome.
Thank
welcome
you.
to Radio Friends, Meg, Parentlink. And Dave Schramm, you are a national relationship expert.
Yes.
But you're part of Parentlink, correct? Let's start up. What is Parentlink?
Well, Parentlink serves Missouri families. Our main service is a 1-800-WARM line where parents or professionals can call in with parenting questions. They're going to talk with a master's level professional to help answer that question and find the research information that backs it up.
So any questions at all that
Yes.
parents have, they can call Parentlink. What are some of the typical questions that you get?
I say we get a lot of calls about toilet training and tantrums and teenagers and relationship questions.
Yeah. Do you answer the questions yourself?
I do. I'm kind of a backup. I have my master's in counseling, but I'm also Parentlink's project manager.
And Dave, how do you fit into this?
You know, I conduct a lot of the research that goes in to inform the decisions that the warm line people tell the parents. And so I conduct research on what makes relationships successful, you know, what people do, what couples do to be happy. What we're finding is that happy couples, it spills over into their parenting. And so happy couples are happy parents, then you have happy children.
Yeah, but if the couples are always at disagreement with one another's throats, then that spreads over to the children also.
Definitely.
I wanted to touch on something. You said you get calls, one of the calls that you get, I guess one of the most common, tantrums. How do you advise a parent if they call and say, my kids throw a temper tantrum every time I say no? What do you do?
Well, that's something neat about the warm line because we do have that master's level person and they can kind of probe to find out, are there any changes going on? You know, maybe the parents are separated. Maybe one of the grandparents just died or
so there's
try
not
to
a
figure
stock
out.
answer to that.
Right. But you try to find the cause of it and help them through that.
Are you able to answer most of those questions the first time a person calls, or do you do a callback?
Typically, we talk to them over the phone, and then we do their research, and we either give them a call back or we follow up and send mail to them.
Dave, what would you like to add to this?
I'd like to add that you know, one of the things that couples can do best for their children is to work on their relationship. That we really are finding more and more, the research lately is showing us what's referred to as a spillover effect, meaning if things are going well between the relationship, they're spending time, they're communicating in kind and loving ways, showing appreciation and affection to each other, then that spills over into the way that they parent. And so they're able to manage the tantrums and the stressful situations a lot better if the couple relationship is going well.
What would you say is the biggest mistake that new parents make?
You're putting me on the spot. I think being a new parent, you just need to be flexible and realize there's a lot of different things that you can try out there.
I thought you were going to say spoiling the child.
No,
that's not the biggest mistake that parents make. All right. If people want more information about Parentlink, what can they do? What's the number to call?
Our warm line is 1-800-552-8522, and our website is parentlink.missouri.edu.
Okay. So about 30 seconds left. Do you have
Okay.
any quick advice for anybody?
I do want to talk about student parents. If there are any student parents out there, go to studentparent.ning.com.
Okay. Again, one more time. Studentparent.ning.com. We have an event on February 19th, a date night. And everybody, student parents are invited?
Student parents, yes.
Okay. Thank you very much,
Yes.
Meg and Dave. Appreciate you coming by. And Alan and Chris, dearly beloved Capital City players, thank you for joining us today. We're out of time for this Friday. Monday, Henry Atkinson, we're going to talk about President's Day. All right, and how that came about and some presidents from our past. Our show directed by Travis McMillan from the Reynolds Journalism Institute. Pat Akers is our audio from KBIA. Our floor director is Jennifer Niederjohn McMillan, and our assistant producer and guest coordinator, Uncle James Mauser. And if you would like to see this program again or hear it as a podcast or see it as a vodcast, go to kbia.org. Click on Radio Friends and sign up. It's absolutely free. And if you have any ideas about something you'd like to hear on the air, send me an email at pepperp@missouri.edu. Have yourself a good weekend. Happy Valentine's Day to you. And go out and be nice to each other. We'll see you Monday. Bye-bye.